Coinbase, you may have heard of these guys, especially if you're into cryptocurrency trading. They're one of the biggest and most established exchanges in the world, especially outside of China. They're a US based company and they actually went public in April, which some might say was not great timing, what we've seen happened in the cryptocurrency markets following. But if you're interested in trading these guys, there's some interesting things to look out for, and I'm going to uncover those and the technical analysis in today's chart of the day. Hello, I'm Stephen Ho, trader and founder of The Stock Hunter. So before we can carry on, a risk warning for you to pay close attention to. The content in this video is not investment advice, so please seek the advice, help of financial professionals or financial advisors before investing and trading. And trading and investing involves a high degree of risk and your money is at risk, so be very careful. So with that out the way, let's get on with the analysis. Before we jump into the usual weekly line chart analysis, I want to give you this big mega tip if you are interested in trading Coinbase. Now it's all to do with correlation, and obviously Coinbase are a crypto exchange and they are very reliant on Ethereum and Bitcoin for their profits. Now if we look at the chart, I've overlaid both Bitcoin and Ethereum on the price. Bitcoin the pink line, Ethereum the blue line, and the yellow line there is Coinbase. Notice how they behave together. They're pretty much in sync at the moment. So if you're bullish those cryptocurrencies, then it could be time to be bullish Coinbase, or vice versa if you're bearish. But number one tip there, look for the performance of those cryptocurrencies along with any technical analysis you use. You could use that as a filter. So let's dig now into the weekly normal chart setup. Coinbase only went public in April and it's been a pretty horrible slippery slope since then. They went in at 340 and stabilized at the bottom at 220, and they've been banging between 220 and 50 really since May time. And really there's not a lot to report. Upside resistance that needs to be broken around that 250 mark before heading towards 270 and onwards. Any break below 220 and we could see some more serious downside for Coinbase. But remember that tip I previously gave you, if you're looking at how they could perform, factor in the performance of the big cryptocurrencies as well. Our daily Heikin-Ashi chart doesn't give much more of a picture to help us out really at the moment. If we looked at the signals, short-term bullish, volatility stable around just under 100% per annum, and in between the bands, the pink bands there on the chart, the price are pretty neutral. Price has declined and sort of stabilized in that range as we saw previously on the weekly chart. So overall neutral to short-term weak bullish there. So what does the Renko chart give us? Set to a 4 block size to give us some shorter term swing activity. Down the bottom, signals, well, neutral, weak, bullish. If we go to the price, then it's within those Donchian bands, so neutral there. I've put on the Fibonacci's so you could see some possible downside breaks. We got 162 and 134 if it breaks through that 210, 220 area. And to the upside, key 38.2, just under 290, and 61.8, just around the 333, 40 mark. So it's been a really short-term history for Coinbase so far. It hasn't been great, but like I say, keep your eye on what's happening to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's summarize things then for Coinbase. Overall, a neutral opinion, and really at the moment nothing too exciting from the charts. Like I said, it's all going to be down to what those cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, do in the short to medium term. As if them focusing on the targets, we look to the bullish side, and there's a reasonable risk and return, but is it worth the risk at the moment? I'm not so sure. Downside looks more promising, but that would be bad for cryptocurrencies as well. It's got better risk return targets, but overall, like I said, pretty much neutral. Coinbase, an interesting stock to look out for, and one not to discount from your portfolio, because if the crypto world takes off, then it's definitely worth following. So do you agree or disagree with that analysis? Do you trade Coinbase? Do you trade the cryptocurrencies around it? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in the technical analysis that I've done in this video, I'll put a description below with links so you can follow to find out more. If you've liked today's video, please give us the thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons to receive further notification of future content I'm going to produce. So all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.